You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going, I hope everybody good. You see me, bless up all of this first time viewers them. Bless up all of my returning subscriber them. Bless up everybody we always are checking on them Chaddy Murray TV. You don't know how it go. So today the topics are Jah Cure angry, but angry about what? We have a talk about that something there. Shenseea and Ding Dong, yo, the people them create an anthem because I wouldn't necessarily call that a song. It's an anthem. You see it? And Vybz Kartel to be released from jail. That go on. All of that and more coming up.
Chaddy more news, we love it. We shoot some vlogger out of them shoes, left body back. The style where Chaddy have, them love it. Some vlogger back it full of oil, you must say mad. Yo Chaddy, I know I can't you that.
So people, we are going to start off the review by this. Jah Cure have a serious message to call Shenseea and all the governing body, including Andrew Holness. You see me? Check it out.
Jamaica government stopping up bomb backlad fuckery. See people in the market here, we're not going to put them go. Where them for blood clot go, them money on the send come collect up the money. And I brought down the blood clot market. Bomb backlad government. Mr. Carl Samoda, anybody I tell you say Jah Cure Said this copy of fuckery, you hear me tell you? See people in the market here, you're not going to move them. I don't know if you give them cut enough fuckery Samoda. I mean, I ask some people come buy them food. I mean, to not fuckery, I a ball for the poor people I'm in here. Look for my grandmother over there, so now give her 200,000 and she a work 45 years she in here. You know wicked, mommy. 45 years you there and 200,000 I give you?
Yeah.
Mr. Leachin, me I want you have the whole of the money. Please not do this to poor people. God will beat you now. If you not going to move the people and give them somewhere to stay, you can't kick out the people in here for 45 years and give them 200,000 and know where them now for go. You know different poor people, I want to know who are going to defend them. Also man body my poor people defend that the people them need no advice. You know kick out the people out of the market they need the help. Where we are going to go for buy with food? Eh? Watch that.
So people, sorry about that. Probably I should have warned you upon them bugger expletives they were Jah Cure use, but me decide not to edit them out because I want to understand the feelings and the emotions we are going at this. Me not have no immediate family member affected or anything like that, but yo, I'm a country people them, you see me? I'm a brother and sister them, I'm a grandmother them, you see me? In a them place there and in a the position. So in case you don't know or you don't have a clue what exactly Jah Cure is talking about, the Constant Spring market is to be sold for road expansion. You see me? You know say well probably if you don't know, them have widen majority of the Kingston metropolitan area road. You see me? So most of the main road them like Ugly Park Road, the Constant Spring them 3 mile right out there, so them a work on them. So major road works are going. So in that is the Constant Spring Road, and forget the work done, them claims that them have to lick down the market, you see me, and all these things. So me I go read an article from the Gleaner and tell you what exactly it a come from, this rant a come from. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation KSAMC is to enter into negotiation with Land Agency NLA for sale of the Constant Spring market to facilitate the expansion of the Constant Spring Road corridor. A resolution given effect to this was approved by the corporation at this meeting held on Tuesday. It's understood that the KSAMC has commissioned and received requisite valuation from the Land Agency and Private Duty Register Valuator. A private valuator puts the value of the market at 270 million, while the public valuation is at $186 million. In opening the debate on resolution, Councillor of the Norfolk Division, Susan Senior, argued that the expansion of the roadway will lead to a reduction in travel time for motorists. Councillor for the Greenwich Division, Carl Blake, noted that while the sale of the market will displace some people, there is an opportunity to have a dialogue with them and have them be a part of the development. The government will spend approximately 2.4 billion under a major infrastructure development program to widen and improve the Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. So people, yes, that's a lot to digest, and I hope you get a wider understanding in what's happening there. So basically the market for sell, you see me? The market for sell, and them only are gonna get $200,000 to the vendor according to Jah Cure, according to the article. When I just read it, it don't say nothing about that. But if them are get a $200,000, well, $200,000, I mean, them are still out of a job. When I really feel like should have happened, them need to find somewhere and put them. Like if you lick down one market, you need to build a new market, make other people go. You see me? Because the market don't only supply the seller them, it supply the buyer them, because them can get somewhere to go buy them goods. And yes, it provide food and clothing and shelter for a lot of people. So I don't want to see all those persons out of job, because you know, say if them get one little basket and go juggle on the roadside, yo, you don't know, say the police them are gonna attack them again and I try to get them off of the streets and all these things because of the illegal vendoring. So people, make me know what you think about this whole situation. You see me? Just leave your thoughts and your comments in the comment section below. So the Ramesh team continue to make headlines, whether negative or positive. You see me? Them continue to put out quality music, and this music what me gonna talk about, it's nonetheless, yo, this a top class music. You see me? I mean, in the intro, me feel like it's an anthem. Yes, most definitely, that song here I gonna be an anthem. So this is Shenseea and Ding Dong I Can. So to the regular ears, probably who know say, yo, Chaddy, that song you really create excitement over. That song you not hot. But who know now pretty bigger picture, and that's why I'm always have to say, me rate Ramesh and me rate the entire movement where I try do. You see me? This song is instantly an anthem. You see, anything major I go happening in a Jamaica, make we say tomorrow Jamaica get qualified for the World Cup, other song I go play. Make we say the next Olympic, yo, a next Jamaican, a next Bolt, a second person we found up and get a bag of medal, other song I go play. That song is an Independence Day song. You see me say, you know, when Gala go on a stadium, other song I go ring, yo. People, me no know. Me like that song, me like the feeling, me like the message where it say I can, you can, Jamaican, proud for the big Jamaican. We need some of them songs with the uplift, and that's why I say, yo, my happy bring that song up on my platform. I can't hear that song and go on like some in a hear it. You see me? So make me know what you think about that song here. I go play a little bit more, right?
Hey, you can be anything you want in a life, and where you come from, and where your mindset deck. Look on me, know where come from the yard, and they get to wanna represent the brand Pepsi. Hey, don't make nobody tell you say you can't do nothing at all. Discourage you to make you workless. So do it for the right reason, nobody do it for the money, not the fame, all when you're desperate. Just do it for the love. Yeah.
Yes, so people, that is Shenseea and Ding Dong I Can, the Jamaican anthem. You see me? So people, Vybz Kartel, everybody anticipate the release of Vybz Kartel for March. What you think? You feel say Kartel have found a road in a March? You know say Fox 5 feature Vybz Kartel. I'm not gonna really play the clip right now, but I'm sure most of you probably see it. Them feature Vybz Kartel. Do a little article on Vybz Kartel, do a little documentary, you see me? And I say, yo, well, them really feel like say Vybz Kartel are gonna come a road. I mean, Bert Samuels feel like say Vybz Kartel are gonna come a road. You see me? Kartel manager, the author, the co-author for the book Vice of the Jamaican Ghetto, feel like say Vybz Kartel are come a road March. And you know that time is drawing very, 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 very near, because the appeal period finished from in December, and we still up on a waiting period now. And this would have make next month would have make like 3 months since the appeal period finished. So people, let me know what you wanna think in the comment section. Yeah, so a lot of people, a lot, including myself, and me think some of the subscribers them anticipate the release of Vybz Kartel, you see me, and no one see Vybz Kartel come around, you see me. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Let me know if you don't like the topics that we talk about today. Let me know if you don't like Shenseea and Ding Dong I Can. And let me know what you think about the whole Constant Spring Market situation there. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
Chaddy more in news, we love it. We shoot some vlogger out of them shoes, left body back. The style where Chaddy have, them love it. Some vlogger back it full of oil, you must say mad. Yo Chaddy, I know I can't you that.